The Indian Army has released visuals of the ongoing disengagement, which shows Chinese infantry soldiers dismantling their camps and using earth movers to restore the soil that was dug up to establish various pieces of infrastructure on the north and south banks of the Pangong Lake, and the entire process is set to be completed by the 19th of February. A top DRDO scientist has said that the Army's General Staff qualitative requirements for the Arjun tank had demanded the development of 4-man crew tank with manual loading, while the DRDO was offering 2-man crew with an auto-loader, and both the tank crew could switch to any role according to the situation on the battlefield. The DRDO might go with 2-man crew configuration in the future main battle tank prototype that could be fielded by Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment for the FRCV program. During the ongoing Aman 2021 naval exercise in Pakistan, the participating Russian Navy had invited Pakistan Navy Chief on the Admiral Grigorovich-class frigate yesterday, and he was introduced with the main complexes of the ship's naval weapons and vertical launch system during the visit. Russia had already exported 6 Admiral Grigorovich-class frigates to the Indian Navy, while 4 more frigates are currently under construction for the Indian Navy at a Russian shipyard and India's Goa Shipyard Limited at $2.5 billion. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders has delivered the INS Karanj to the Indian Navy, and this third Scorpene-class submarine will be commissioned at a ceremony that will be held between 10 and the 15th of March. The 4th submarine has commenced sea trial. The 5th submarine has commenced harbor sea trial, while the 6th and the last P-75 submarine is presently in advanced stage of outfitting. The Indo-Israeli joint venture Fermi Vision will develop and manufacture man-portable loitering munition systems as well as advanced loitering munitions with long ranges and higher payloads in India that can be used instead of fighter jets in future Balakot-type operations. The joint venture will meet the needs of Indian armed forces and also manufacture these systems at a lower cost for global customers. Another Delhi-based startup company Hyperstealth is developing a stealth paint that can hide tanks and armored units from the homing sensors of loitering munitions, as the stealth paint will reduce the visibility of sensors from 3 kilometers to less than 1 kilometer. The upgraded variant of the USHUS-1 integrated submarine sonar system known as the USHUS-2, developed by the DRDO and built by Bharat Electronics, has been successfully integrated in 4 Kilo class submarines of the Indian Navy, and reports indicate that the upgraded variant will now be integrated on the INS Arihant nuclear submarine that can detect and track enemy submarines, surface ships and torpedoes, and can also be used for underwater communication and avoiding obstacles. The Rustom-2 medium-altitude long-endurance drone had achieved 8 hours flight endurance at 16,000 feet in 2020, and it had also flown in satellite communication mode and carrying the long-range electro-optical payload last year. Top officials have said that it will be flight tested for more than 18 hours at a height of over 27,000 feet in April, and all flight tests will be completed in the next few months. That will clear its way for induction into the Indian military with an expected order of 100 units. The indigenous technology cruise missile equipped with the indigenous Manik engine will also undertake its second test next month. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has delivered a 50-meter fast patrol vessel to the Coast Guard of Seychelles, which is equipped with 40mm anti-aircraft gun, and has a maximum speed of 62 km per hour and an endurance of more than 2,800 km. It is designed with improved habitability features with fully air-conditioned modular accommodation for 35 personnel, and is fully capable to perform multi-purpose operations such as patrolling and search and rescue.